Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with General Electric shares, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in General Electric shares, research the company's history, financial health, and market position. Look into their recent earnings reports and press releases to understand their operational performance. Identify the stock symbol for General Electric, which is GE. Choose a reliable online brokerage platform where you can buy and sell stocks. Sign up for an account on the brokerage platform you selected, providing the necessary personal information. Fund your brokerage account by linking your bank account or using other funding methods provided. Once your account is funded, navigate to the search function and enter the stock symbol GE. Review the stock's current price and price history to gauge its performance over time. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your investment budget. Place a market order to buy the shares at the current market price, or set a limit order if you prefer to buy at a specific price. Confirm your order details and submit your purchase. After purchasing the shares, monitor their performance regularly. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or news affecting General Electric. Think about your long-term investment strategy and whether to hold or sell based on performance and market conditions. Keep track of dividends and any corporate actions that may affect your shares. Finally, continually educate yourself about investing and pay attention to market trends that may impact General Electric shares. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.